Hello everybody. Get ready for a fiesta of sights, sounds, and flavors as we embark on a tour of Spain. From vibrant cities to ancient wonders, tapas crawls to flamenco nights, prepare to be captivated by the passion, history, and charm of this captivating country. Our adventure begins in the cosmopolitan city of Barcelona. Marvel at the architectural genius of Antoni Gaudí with the Sagrada Familia's intricate details and Park Güell's whimsical mosaics. Wander down La Rambla, soaking in the street performers and buzzing atmosphere. Sample tapas and pintexos while bar hopping, and catch a passionate flamenco performance that will leave you spellbound. Don't forget your dancing shoes. Immerse yourself in the magic of Andalusia in Granada. Step back in time with the opulent Alhambra Palace, a majestic masterpiece of Moorish architecture. Witness the fiery passion of flamenco in a traditional Sacromonte cave show and wander through the charming, whitewashed houses of the Albayzin neighborhood. Indulge in local delicacies like gazpacho and paella, and sip sangria while enjoying the warm Andalusian evenings. Are you a foodie at heart? Head to San Sebastian, a haven for culinary delights. Stroll along the stunning La Concha beach, then embark on a pintexo hopping adventure in the Part of Vieja, savoring bite-sized delicacies bursting with flavor. Take a cooking class and learn to whip up traditional Basque dishes. And don't miss the chance to witness the mesmerizing San Sebastian International Film Festival held every September. Feel the vibrant pulse of Spain's capital, Madrid. Delve into artistic treasures at the Prado Museum, stroll through the sprawling El Retiro Park, and soak in the lively atmosphere of Plaza Mayor. Attend a thrilling flamenco show, watch a passionate Real Madrid football match, and indulge in churros con chocolate for a classic Spanish breakfast. Remember, the nightlife in Madrid doesn't start until well after midnight. Spain offers hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Walk across the dramatic El Tajo Gorge in Ronda, explore the medieval wonders of Toledo, and soak up the sunshine on Mallorca's idyllic beaches. Hike through the breathtaking Picos de Europa mountains, discover the charming white villages of Andalusia, and visit the volcanic landscapes of Lanzarote in the Canary Islands. Immerse yourself in the vibrant Spanish culture. Join the electrifying La Tomatina tomato fight in Bunol, witness the mesmerizing skills of flamenco dancers, and embrace the laid-back siesta tradition. Learn a few basic Spanish phrases, participate in local cooking classes, and soak up the warm hospitality of the Spanish people. Don't forget to try regional specialties like jamon iberico and tortilla espanola. From sun-kissed beaches to snow-capped mountains, bustling cities to ancient ruins, Spain offers an unforgettable adventure for every traveler. So, pack your bags and get ready to fall in love with the warmth, passion, and magic of España. And that's all for today. Subscribe for more travel adventures.